to go outside. You're nuts.
For one full year at Marlow, downtown D.C., Forrestville, Laurel, Springfield, and Rockville. Sunday, 11 till 9. Monday, 10 till 10.
One last check with Washington and Bill Greenwood of ABC News, who was hip deep in the snow this morning. Bill?
Actually, I almost fell in the sewer just a minute ago, Charlie. You don't know what's underneath here. This is a day we're going to find out who the real essential government workers are, and I've got some bad news for folks. Of all the government buildings, the one I saw lights in this morning was the Internal Revenue Service. Look out, Charlie.
That's always isn't it? But it still looks like it's snowing down there. I didn't know
Yeah.
the snow was still going in D.C.
It's still snowing, probably going to snow around noontime. We can get another 4 inches before it's over.
All right, Bill, thanks for...
Morning. The roof. This is tile standing next to me. How tall it is? Yeah, you got a couple inches. 1 or 2 inches, just a dusting. We'll be out of here in no time at all. To the side of the van. Where you going? Huh? Where you going? Sam? Where do you think you're going? This is where Chris is gonna live when he doesn't clean his room anymore. Open up some more. Watch.
Wouldn't that be weird if you found somebody?
Like an igloo.
That'd be cool to spend the night under there when that happens.
I know. It'd be nice in the morning. That's where
Well, that body.
do it.
Make a door.
There it is.
I want to see the pile. Here, you film the pile.
No, that's okay.
Take Kristen and make up and jump in.
Kristen, that's enough, please.
Go.
I didn't go anywhere.
I know. It's too heavy.
Come on, get off. Oh. Hi, Ann.
You ready, Nick?
Nick, do it.
Go. Oh.
Go forward, Nick.
Hey, jump. 1. Wait. Go.
Anytime you're ready.
Go.
Nick went deep.
Whoa!
What?
I can't get up.
My leg's stuck in here.
I can't get up.
You stuck in there?
Oh, Dad, I'm gonna do
I'm
it.
stuck.
Go ahead. Where are you?
I'm up here.
Yeah, right. Go ahead, Kat. You're next. What are you doing?
Stop.
This is so awesome. That was just so fun.
All right.
Day to you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, dear Craig. Make it happy.
Happy birthday to you.
Go.
14 years old.
Oh, you didn't get it.
Oh. Yay!
Yay!
Stop it.
Put them on here. Are you cutting it?
Oh, oops. I can't cut it.
Carol hammered in over there. Brian, you don't need to shillelagh that little piece of wood. It's better. Come on. Cut's a lot easier. There we go. Here, cut this one. I'm cutting this one again.
Are you filming?
Okay.
Uh-huh.
Oh, hi, Daddy.
Hello! Here's some more wood. Here. Tear this up. Here, hammer it in. You need a piece for
And
that. Look. Oh, wait a second, Bob.
hey, Daddy.
All right. I need you guys to go stand over there and turn around. Go over there, T.
Over where?
Over there near the fire. I can't see Bobby. I can't see your face. There you go.
Watch out.
Chris, see you, Chris.
Hi, Dad.
You guys are nuts. I'm going inside where it's warm.
Oh, it's
I'm
warm out
eating.
here. It's warm out here, too.
It is. It's warm out here.
I think I might join you inside.
Bobby, come on, man.